Hi, let's make another one of these bags from Crafter's Companion. It's called Arizona bag. These are the dies and the instruction sheet that comes with the die set. I already cut all the dies out. Okay, as you can see, you get the base die, these decorative dies to decorate your bag, these small pieces to again decorate your bag. There goes here, I think, and you get this pretty intricate die to decorate top of your bag. Of course, you get some embellishment dies like these heart tags, lips, lipstick, and coin bag, and also a buckle die for the bag handle. So I already cut everything out, and let's make the bag together. To make this bag, you need two of this part. If you want to decorate your bag, you need two of these, which I have here, two of these, two of these, and if you want to decorate it with the tags and stuff like that, you can cut them out. Let me show you. The lips are really cute. And for the buckle, you need four of them if you want to use if you want to put the handle for your bag. So let's put it together. Oh, and also for the lipstick, I cut a few out from different colors and stick them together to get this kind of effect. For buckles, we need to put this inside the buckle, our handle, and make something like this, and actually make something like this to make it more realistic. So what I want to do is score like 1/4 of an inch from each side. This way I can burnish the score line and make sure both my handles are the same size. And let me say my handles are 8.5 inch. For the actual bag, we're going to burnish the score lines. And again, we're going to stick these two rectangular parts together. Push the tabs inside and stick them down like this. And it's all done. And then we stick the handles and all done. Let me do that. You can push the top of the bag down and make it like this, or keep them up and use it like this. So let me stick the handles and the tags, and we are all done. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.